In March 1888, the eastern United States was gripped by one of the most severe blizzards in recorded history. Known as the Great Blizzard of 1888, this monumental snowstorm paralyzed cities from Chesapeake Bay to Maine. For 3 days, from March 11th to March 14th, the storm unleashed its fury, dumping up to 50 inches of snow in some areas, accompanied by hurricane-force winds that created drifts over 50 feet high. The storm's impact was catastrophic, with transportation systems grinding to a halt. Trains were buried, telegraph lines were downed, and roads became impassable, leaving many communities isolated. In New York City, the blizzard's aftermath was particularly dramatic. Streets were deserted, and the city, accustomed to bustling activity, fell eerily silent. The chaos underscored the vulnerabilities of the urban infrastructure, leading to significant changes in city planning and the development of underground transit systems. Despite its devastation, the Great Blizzard of 1888 also brought communities together as neighbors helped one another survive the harsh conditions. This extraordinary event remains a testament to nature's power and the resilience of the human spirit. Dive into the past and let the lessons of history inspire you. Like and subscribe for more fascinating tales.